Hi guys, it's Marie. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video is going to be another cleaning video, and this time will be included our coronavirus that's been all over the world. And as soon as I heard that coronavirus, I can't stop myself thinking about that I need to disinfect, especially most is the living room where me, Boris, and if we have visitors sitting in our places, so we need to disinfect it so at least the coronavirus won't visit us. And this is the video is going to be all about. So I'm basically doing like a deep clean like over the places, and mainly the kitchen and the living room, and I will do the other one later on in a few days because I can't really do them in one shot due to my busy schedule life. And without further ado, let's get on to the video. Okay, as what you see in the intro, I put some music on, put some candle lights, my candle from Yankee Candle. I really love that one, and this time I light up the lavender. And then now I'm going to wash the dishes that been sitting there. If you're wondering, today or that day I filmed was Sunday. I just done had my jog with my siblings, so yeah, that's why you will see me the whole time with still the same outfit. It's because I just don't feel like changing. I just want to like get things done, and I'm in the mood also, so that's what I'm gonna do. Just wash the dishes, clean the sink, and do my stuff. So okay, this time I'm going to scrub the sink because this is part of my deep clean. So yeah, I'm just gonna use this scrub because this is going to be trash after a few times of use. And then after I scrub, I'm just going to rinse it out, take all the crumbs that sit in the strainer, if that makes sense. And then I'm going to show you the CIF or Cef cream microcrystals, which I always use to my induction and also to my sink. It's really good. I would recommend that one, guys. So again, I'm going to use this scrub and just scrub that CIF there to the sink to make it more like deep clean. And later on, I'm going to show you how I sanitize my sink. You might hear a lot of chattering noise of the toys. It's because Simon this time is still awake, and it's 7:26 in the evening while I'm doing or filming or editing this video, so please forgive me, guys. So one thing is, I'm just going to show or tell you guys that this time around, I don't know, somehow the water pressure is so freaking low that it doesn't make me happy. I don't like it. So anyways, we're gonna keep going, and now I have to make a break because this kid just had called me and he wants a little hug. You can see I have to dance him around. He's being pabebe, so let's finish that moment. I'm just going to put him and make him pick which cereal he wants to eat for his breakfast. So basically he picked the corn cereal flakes, so I'm just giving that to him. I'm just make sure that he has it on the table with him. And now this time is going to be cleaning and him. So that's going to be the story of this video. So guys, I'm just going to get some trash bag kasi dapat ko nang ilalagay yung mga trash natin sa sink. I mean the trash candy ay kasi ang dami ng kalat sa mesa. I'm speaking Tagalog, I just decided. So yes, you can see the candles still light up, and I'm just going to put milk back in the fridge and do the other stuff, do the stuff here and do the stuff there. And one thing I'm gonna show you is what is the liquid dishwashing liquid I use. So this Select Saver from Metro. I really like the lemon one, guys. I don't know if that make really changing in every flavored, but I just use the lemon. And this is going to be an entire fast forward because it's not easy to squeeze this bottle. Okay, so this time around is going to be I'm filling up a water on our little kettle or electric kettle to boil some hot water for our sanitizing in the sink and also in the baby's milk bottle. Okay guys, so while the kettle is boiling up, I'm just going to wipe down all my water glass kasi gusto ko lang talagang i-wipe down siya after I wash them kasi it's more cleaner and shinier, if that makes sense. And then after that, i-wipe down ko yung sink area kasi it's wet from washing the dishes. Now our hot boiled water guys is finished. So i-collect or i-gather ko yung mga milk bottle na kailangan kong i-sanitize using this little ball. That makes sense. And tapos the rest of the hot water is I'm just going to pour them sa sink para naman mawala yung mga coronavirus and germs in the sink. That makes sense. Okay guys, now our kitchen is done. Ito naman yung mess natin sa ibang side sa kitchen, the island. So, we're going to clean that mess right there kasi parang naiilang at parang hindi ko na talaga kayang tingnan yung mess at saka yung table na kailangan na talagang iwa-wipe. So, let's go for it. And just in case you guys wonder what is the spray cleaning that I use, it's my DIY guys. So if minimix ko yung tea tree oil, peppermint essential oil, and with water guys, So I don't really need this all chemicals, and I've been looking for a very healthy organic kind of stuff. So yung tea tree essential oil tsaka yung peppermint essential oil is really perfect for me, guys. If you guys wanna try to do it, I bought them in Metro in the perfume side. So find the tea tree and also the peppermint. It really smells good. But they have a lot of choices also, guys. Kung gusto nyong bumili, just go there in that perfume section at tsaka pumili na lang kayo yung gusto nyong scents or essential oil. Okay, so dahil tapos na ang ating tables, the two sides table and the island, this is the wipes I use for my electrical equipment, guys, especially the oven, yung kettle, yung induction. I will recommend this one, guys. It has a chemical inside of this wipe. I would say I would deny it, but I think it's really kills all the bacteria, so it's kind of a good chemical, if that makes sense. So yeah, I will recommend this one, guys. It's really nice. Okay, so yung island is check, yung side sa sink is check, and yung side sa oven is check. Now let's go on for our tables, guys. It's really need to be wiped kasi nagta-touch kami everywhere. Yung body namin parang connected na din doon kasi yung feet is touching the chair. So kailangan talaga siyang iwa-wipe down, and I'm still using the same spray. It's just the bottle, guys, is the spray bottle is different. I just use it because I like the spray bottle, guys. Maganda siyang gamitin. But the inside of it is my DIY. So again, I would recommend it to you, guys. So, kakatapos ko lang mag-wipe ng chair and then pinuntahan ko yung candle at this is happening, guys. It didn't really melt good, so it's thumbs down. Kaya i-close na lang natin siya and then let's keep going on with what we're doing. So, for my disinfectant spray, guys, I'm using the Lysol and I have the disinfectant lavender and this blue one for the baby. And since we are talking about virus 1 and everything stuff like that, I would use this baby Lysol. It's because Simon is gonna touch everywhere this time around after I clean, so I want to make sure na parang baby safe talaga siya. So later on, yung Lysol na lavender is going to be the bathroom, the 2 rooms and the other bathroom. So and then let's go na sa ating living room na napaka-lucky, guys. Kailangan na talaga siyang i-sweep, tapos i-mop, tapos i-arrange yung mga pillows kasi mahilig si Simon na i-take all the pillows and throw it in the floor. So, let's do it. Sweeping time is the most harder part of cleaning session that I don't like, guys. Kasi parang mas gusto ko pa kasi yung vacuum kaysa yung sweep. Kasi yung pag mag-sweep ka pa, meron pa talaga siyang dust na parang nagfo-float sa air. But what can I really do, guys? And I mean, we don't really wanna invest a vacuum this time around. It's because we're not really living here forever, so we just don't want to spend that much for a vacuum. So I'm just going to sweep both sides of the kitchen and also in the living room to make them all clean and get all the crumbs in the floor. So pagkatapos natin inside, let's keep going of sweeping, and then isasali na natin yung patio natin at saka yung makikita mo yung chair, not chair, yung parang shoe rack. So dyan ko nilalagay yung mga outside shoes namin, guys. So we're going to sweep that one, and if you can see that big shell, that's actually from our friend. He gave that to us and we keep it because I think it's really nice and it's really unique. So finally, we're done of sweeping, guys. The final is the disinfectant spray. And if you wonder, guys, why I did not wipe the living room, it's because, guys, I just wiped it actually last night, and then I think it's still very clean since I just wiped it last night. I didn't film it. So that's the full look of our living room. It looks so beautiful. And then up next, you're going to see I'm doing a load of laundry.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and follow me to all my social medias. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Hi guys! So, I'm in the car right now. I have to rest for all the cleaning, but I still have the whole cleaning for later today. And me and Boris, we're going to drive to Bogo, just the two of us. We're gonna have a little time of date, and then we're going to get the car vacuumed and washed because it does look messy back there. It looks like a festive ews. And so yeah, I just have to get ready, and I have to get the baby ready and drop in mom's, and now we're on our way to Bogo.